20 miles per hour.
Alright, we're back to part 6 again. The National Weather Service... Let me mute this for a minute. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southern Logan County and extreme northern Sangamon County in central Illinois until 4 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Williamsville, or about 12 miles north of Springfield. It was moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Williamsville, Elkhart, Mount Pulaski. And that was an update on that tornado warning there.
Including places like the Rochester area and the eastern
Let me show you some. Let me show you the radar.
Mechanicsburg, that's the area that we're watching right now here out towards Rochester. Very important, especially Mechanicsburg, Buffalo, Illiopolis, Mount Auburn. You're going to be impacted by this very, very soon as we continue with this tornado warning that is in effect for Sangamon County until 3:45 this evening.
JC, just issued by the National Weather Service office in Lincoln. This is a severe thunderstorm warning, and this is until 4:30 this afternoon, including DeWitt, northeastern Logan, McLean County, northern Piatt, eastern Tazewell, we're just outside of our viewing area, and just to the north of there, Woodford County. This is until 4:30 this afternoon, a severe thunderstorm warning, which does include the northern part of the Storm Center 17 viewing area. These severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, moving to the east at approximately 35 miles an hour. And much of this, what we're seeing there just underneath the banner where it says live Doppler correct. Of course, we're looking at live radar, and the only source for live local radar is Storm Center 17.
Also, you can go onto our website, WADTV.com. If you're not being impacted by this right now, especially from Decatur, over towards Champaign, Monticello, Clinton, if you don't have access to a TV in just a little while, if you want to keep monitoring this, you're going to be away from the TV, go to our website, WADTV.com, click on live stream, and you can watch this live on the internet of our severe weather coverage that we are going to continue as these storms continue to rake their way across central Illinois. So if you're going to be stepping away from your TV in a few minutes, go to the computer at WADTV.com. You can get all the latest information there. We're going to be continuing to stream this live on our internet website.
We were talking earlier about how this is clearing on the west side of Springfield, and to look at the live camera at St. John's Hospital in downtown Springfield, pointed to the southwest, is showing how that is starting to clear somewhat already, and we're seeing the Capitol at the center. If we go to the AWS, please, that'd be great. We can see that camera. And it's pointed to the southwest, and we're seeing the sky starting to clear out. The rain is starting to come to an end to a certain extent there. And folks at the Illinois State Fairgrounds, it looks like for about the next half hour or so, we'll still have some rainfall in that area. However, it's going to begin to diminish. In fact, has diminished already, I'm sure, in the last 10 to 15 minutes or so. We do have a tornado warning that does continue for southern Logan County, and that also includes extreme northern Sangamon County until 4 o'clock this afternoon. The storm that we're talking about here has moved through Springfield, and JC, what do you have, an update?
We have a tornado warning that just now has been issued for northern Christian and extreme eastern Sangamon County. That's the same warning we were talking about a second ago that was impacting portions of the east side of Springfield, and now we're getting the newest warning on this, just issued by the National Weather Service office out of Lincoln until 4:15. Northern Christian and extreme eastern Sangamon County, places like Berry, Roby, Mechanicsburg, Mount Auburn, Illiopolis, and Rochester. You have attached this storm. Please seek shelter immediately. This is the area that we're concerned with right now. This is the same area and the same cell that made its way through Springfield a second ago, prompting this warning. So from Rochester out here to Mount Auburn, Blacktop, will include places like the Roby area. Also Berry, Mechanicsburg, Mount Auburn. You're going to be impacted by this very, very soon. We're seeing a lot of high reflectivity around the Mechanicsburg area, a lot of frequent clouded ground lightning. We're still continuing to see some rotation, and this is possible to produce a tornado. This storm is located in Rochester,
County is like right here.
Springfield and moving to the east at around 20 miles per hour. And drop the fan on here real quick, give you some times on when this will be making its way into your neighborhood east at 20 miles per hour. So that would put it into the Berry area at 3:37, Mount Auburn at 4:13, and Illiopolis at 4:18. Yes, Illiopolis, you're starting to see some rain out of this, but the bulk and the heaviest part of the storm still not impacting you as of right now. We're expecting some pretty strong winds out of this, and the possibility still does exist in this area for the possibility of a tornado. This is the newest warning for northern Christian, eastern Sangamon until 4:15. Also, a tornado warning until 4 o'clock this evening, and that will include extreme northern Sangamon County in the Williamsville area, and also portions of southern Logan County, Williamsville, Elkhart, and Mount Pulaski. You'll be impacted by this. We continue with rotation on radar, which was indicated right here just now to the east of Williamsville, and this continues to track itself off to the northeast at 20 miles per hour. So at 20 miles per hour, that would put it into places like Portland at 339, Mount Pulaski at 404, and Chestnut at 422. That's right there along Illinois Route 54. That's basically the track of this storm as it continues to make its way off to the north and to the east at 20 miles per hour. So we continue with a very long line here of strong storms. We're not ignoring you in DeWitt County, also McLean County, and northern Logan County. You have severe thunderstorm warnings going on there. Also, that severe thunderstorm warning continues for northern Piatt County this evening. With the areas that we're concerned with right now for the possibility of a tornado is here across northern Christian, extreme southeastern Sangamon County, also northern Sangamon County, and southern Logan County. So the areas we're seeing.
I'm going to go into channel 3 here real quick. If they have any updates, no, they don't.
Center 17.
I was trying to go to channel 3 if they had any updates, but they ain't on air. So I apologize for that.
Auburn, Blacktop, and Mount Auburn over towards Rochester. They're across basically right here along the Sangamon River. You can see just a lot of lightning in this area. We're going to see a lot of heavy rainfall.
They always do that to me. I'm trying to zoom in on it. But
roadway is becoming a huge problem with all this heavy rainfall that continues to fall with this, and also the possibility does still exist. We could see a possible spin-up tornado on this as this thing continues to travel its way across central Illinois. And there's a really good look at it here on Live Doppler 4X. And 2 warnings right now, tornado warnings lead till 4 o'clock in southern Logan County, extreme northern Sangamon County, 4:15 for northern Christian, and in eastern Sangamon County. And we'll talk about the people impacted by this: Berry, Roby, Mechanicsburg, Mount Auburn, Illiopolis, and Rochester. The one for extreme northern Sangamon County and southern Logan County, Williamsville, Elkhart, and Mount Pulaski. I'm going to go through real quick. I'm going to go check out some other things real quick.
As we take a look at this, we're seeing the area where we're seeing a lot of lightning just to the southeast of Springfield. This would be down toward the Pawnee area, between Pawnee and here's Rochester. All of this kind of moving to the east. This is part of that tornado warning. It does continue until 4:15 this afternoon. The locations impacted would include Berry, Roby, Mechanicsburg, Mount Auburn, and Illiopolis. There's Mount Auburn. Roby would be just a little farther to the west here. And Illiopolis, of course,
it's like right here in the northeast.
With all of this moving to the east, and really a line of storms extending from to the north of McLean County all the way down to the south into Macoupin and Montgomery County. All of this moving to the east and to the northeast, which eventually is going to very likely impact Decatur. Now, there are no warnings in effect right now for Macon County. However, what we'll expect to see is a very strong likelihood that there will be something that will be coming up probably within the next half hour or so. Because so far, we have not really seen anything in the way of any kind of decrease of activity here with this line of storm.
I'm going to go to channel 3 real quick, and if they don't have any updates, I'll go back to channel 7. Okay, no updates on channel 3 yet. Because I usually watch channel 3 more than I do channel 7, but they don't have channel 3 on yet. I'm gonna go on South Pacific area, and if there are morning warnings that break out, I'll break in.